In this module, we will walk through replacing a wired device. To replace a failed wired device in an ENCELIUM system, you need to first identify the device that needs to be replaced. You will see the devices that are X'd out on our floor plan. So we are going to select those devices by clicking the selection tool in the top right-hand corner and clicking on the device. It will then be identified by the system, as you can see on the right hand, that we have two devices that need to be replaced. Once you've investigated the issue and determined a device needs to be replaced, in a wired system, it doesn't matter what device it is, whether it's a fixture or a sensor or a switch, you will still need to perform the same functions. To do this, you will do the following. First, you will remove the device from the loop by selecting the device no longer communicating, and on the right-hand side, you will select Unmap. It will ask you, do you really want to unmap these two items, and you will select OK. Then I will remove my fixture by selecting Unmap again and saying OK. Here we can see it's an LCM as well as a configurable wall station that we have removed from the programming. I'm then going to go into my drop-down menu and delete all my missing devices. Now my errors are gone. Once the new devices are installed, they will populate in the list as you can see here. You'll identify each item. For any configurable wall station, you will see LEDs flash on the switch, which will indicate the device is being identified. For the LCM, the lights will go through the on-off, on-dim, down, and back on. You will then hit Identify, your switch will flash, and in the system, you will map that switch. What you can also do is have someone in the field press a button on the switch. Then you will see that it lights up green because a button was pressed. From here, you can then program it to its location. The same thing with the LCM, you can program it to its respective location as well. After this, you will go to your hamburger menu and select Configure Manager. If a configuration has not saved, it will ask you if you want to save changes, and you will select Yes. You can ignore the warnings and select Configure. From here, you will need to select Partial Configuration. We do not want to do a full configuration, as it will reboot the entire system and it will cause the lights to default on or turn off and disrupt the user. So select Configure. Once it's done, you will go through to test and confirm the operation of the device in the field. From here, you can go to Operate Brightness. Select the object and you will see it cycle through by turning on and off. You have now confirmed the operation of the device. And this concludes how to replace a wired device in the field.